Hey y'all, this is Monica Ishak coming to you as your Lawyer Stories Insider to give you all the criminal law updates. And the US Supreme Court is addressing a very big question that will potentially redefine how they categorize marijuana as a controlled substance. And the question is, can medical marijuana users possess a firearm? And this is related to the Second Amendment. Will this be in violation of their Second Amendment? And this is something that we all need to pay attention to because it won't only affect gun laws, it will definitely affect marijuana, the laws surrounding marijuana. So make sure you stay tuned with Lawyer Stories to find out what the ruling is whenever it comes out. We will definitely be announcing it, and follow for more.